নমস্কাৰ অনলি কম্পিটিশন আসামলে আপোনালোক সবকে মই স্বাগতম জনাইছো মই প্ৰাপ্তি কাকতি আপোনালোকৰ ৰিজনিং ফেকাল্টি পুনৰ এবাৰ লৈ আহিছো এসএসসি জিডি কাৰণে এটা স্পেশাল বেচ যত আমি ডেডিকেটেডলি এসএসসি জিডি কাৰণে এতিয়া আমি প্ৰিপাৰেচন ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰি দিম সো দ্যাট আমি 25 upon 25 ৰিজনিংত 100% মাৰ্কস পাব পাৰো ঠিক আছে লাষ্ট সেশনটোত আমি একদম ফাউন্ডেশনৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছিলো ফাউন্ডেশনটো আমাৰ কি আছিল পজিশন ভ্যালুজ ওকে পজিশন ভ্যালুজ কৰিছিলো তাৰ লগতে আমি অপোজিট লেটাৰ্স বোৰ মুখস্থ কৰিছিলো তো বহুত এনেকুৱা ষ্টুডেন্টস আছিলে যাৰ কাৰণে এই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ টপিকটো একদম নতুন হয় আৰু আমি এই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ সেশনটো স্পেশালি আনিছিলো নৰ্থ ইষ্টাৰ্ণ ষ্টুডেন্টছৰ কাৰণে তো হেতু কাৰণে মই ভাবো কি মইতো অলৰেডি এই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ এনেকুৱা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ কোৱেশ্চন বা questions বোৰ আমি কোড সলভ কৰো আমি ৰাতিপুৱাৰ বেচত ক্লাস কৰোৱে তো হেতু কাৰণে এটো বেচ মই একদম কমপ্লিটলি ইংলিশত লৈ যাবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম I just hope so that you are all comfortable with the particular questions okay so in the last class what we have done we have learned about the position values plus the opposite letters okay opposite letters and the pairs now today also we are gonna start with coding decoding that is letter coding and then we will start other number coding too okay so without any delay let's start the class for the first thing let's revise some of the topics which we have learned in the last class since this particular class is specially for the northeastern students I hope so that you all are able to connect with this particular class and that is why and that is the reason that I am bringing this class in English language okay but even though if there is any difficulty you can let me know so that I can switch to other languages too okay okay now yesterday what we have learned let's revise that first after that we will go to the basic questions again okay lastly we have seen the number of patterns the number of patterns were what those were vertical patterns second was the diagonal pattern third was the opposite letters then fourth was the diagonal vertical and diagonal next the last pattern was the diagonal and diagonal pattern this diagonal and diagonal pattern are only used on the basis of number of letters now tell me one thing student this particular pattern is used for which even number of letters okay next this particular pattern is used for odd number of letters okay ठीक है all good okay now the starting question is one of the easy questions but before that all those questions you need to solve on the basis of yesterday's class that means you have to know the position values of each and every letter so starting with today's question is question number 1 first write down the word the word is G gold what are the position values of this particular letters G now just imagine there is a 7 inside G and therefore G's position value is what G's position value is 7 15 12 and 4 G gold is written as I K U T and N the position value of this particular code is what the position value of this particular code is 9 11 21 20 and 14 done okay next if we check vertically then what we will get from 7 to 9 plus 2 From 7 to 11 plus 4. From 15 to 21 plus 6. From 12 to 20 we need to add plus 8. Then lastly, here we have to add plus 10, plus 10. Now, are you able to answer the question? Are you able to answer the question? Deep Raj Bora, good evening, good evening. And Thomas, hello, hello. So, what will be the answer for this particular question? For this particular question, our answer will be S. Position value of S is what? STARS. The position value of S is 19, 21, 18 and 19. First, you need to add plus 2. If you add plus 2 with 19, what you will get? You will get 21. Then plus 4, 24. Plus 6, you will get 7. Plus 8, you will get 18 plus 8 is equals to 26. And lastly, plus 10 if we do, we will get 29. Now we know that 29 is not the position value of any of the letters. Then what we will do? Tell me. Since we have got 29, will we be able to find the letter for that particular number? Yes, we will be able to find, because the answer is what? U, then X, G, Z, and then 29 means you have to count after 26. 27, 28, 29. 3 na? That means A, B and C. So 29 means here for this particular question it will be C. It will be C. That is option number 2. Option number 2. Oh sorry. Option number 3. U, X, G, Z, C. U, X, G, Z and C. All okay? All good? Okay, yes. Option number 2 na hoy. Option number 3. It will be option number 3. Okay? Fine. Now, is it okay for everybody? Are we able to find the pattern? Are we able to find the pattern? Tell me, students. Yes. Yes, Namita, welcome to the class. Now, can you solve this particular question? Can you solve this particular question? Tell me. In a certain code language, zebra is written as WBYAZ. Then, how is horse written in the same code language? How is horse written in the same code language? Now let me write the word and the position values. Okay, you should also write the position values with me. That means zebra is written as WBYAJ. Done? Okay. Now, if we write the position values 26, 5, after that 2, 18 and 1. Okay. 10, 1, 10, wait. 1, 25, 2 and 23. 23. Okay. Now, can you tell me what will be the answer or what will be the pattern? First, let's concentrate on the pattern. Okay, let's concentrate on the pattern. Are you able to find the pattern here? Are you able to find the pattern here? I'll give you one hint. Use the fourth number pattern. Use the fourth number pattern. What was our fourth number pattern? Tell me. We had a pattern which looks like this. This one. Diagonal, vertical and diagonal. Diagonal, vertical and diagonal. If we use this particular pattern, that means what? The word will be having odd number of letters. Okay? And here itself, zebra has odd number of letters, that is 5. Now let's copy paste that particular pattern in this word. Okay, vertical, wait, vertically, crisscross diagonal, crisscross diagonal. Are we able to find the pattern here? If not, then let me help. Let me help. Opposite is being written in the middle term. Okay, middle term, opposite is being written. After that, in this particular pattern, Z and B, E and W, what is being used? Opposite plus 1 is being used. Because what is the opposite of E? What is the opposite of E? It is V. V plus 1 means how much? W. V plus 1 means how much? W. That means in this particular two of the letters here, the pattern is opposite plus 1. In the middle term, it is opposite. Again in these two particular letters, what we will use? Opposite plus 1. If this pattern is being used in the word horse, then what we will do? R opposite is how much? I. Then let me check. In the third letter, we need to have I. M-I-T, no, it will not work. Now, this one. Option number 2 and option number 4 will work. Let's check further. Okay, let's check further. H opposite is S. S plus 1 is how much? S plus 1 is T. That means our answer will be option number 4. Option number 4. You need to find opposite plus 1. Opposite plus 1. Only then you will be able to find the answer. Okay. Which question, Devraj? Kuntu repeat korim, Devraj, abar koi diba. Okay, question number 2 to hoi gol. Let's see the pattern again. Okay, let's see the pattern again. Here the pattern is diagonal, vertical and then diagonal. In the middle term, we are using the opposite, and then in first two terms and the last two term, what we are using? We are using the opposite plus 1 pattern. Is it okay to everyone? Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. In a certain code language, Titan is coded as 48797. 48797. The position values of each and every letter in the Titan word should be written above. 29, 21 and 19 as 14. Okay. Now, how we will find this particular number? This is a question of letter number coding. Letter number coding. Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay. Now we need to use the pattern number. Pattern number what? Pattern number second. Okay. Question number 1 na? Deepraj. Wait. Let me finish question number 3. After that, I will go to question number 1. Definitely, I will solve the question number 1. Here, what is the pattern here? Let me check. Now, can you observe this 7 and 7? They are repeating, just like T and T. What is the opposite of T? Tell me, students, what is the opposite of T? Opposite of T is G, and G's position value is 7. G's position value is 7. Therefore, you need to write the position values of this particular letter, but in diagonal pattern. That means T's opposite is what? G. I opposite is what? R. T opposite is again G. A opposite is Z. N opposite is M. Now, are you able to answer the pattern? Understand the pattern? What they are doing is they are converting the position values of each and every letter into one digit number. Are you able to understand what they are using? They are using the diagonal pattern first. and using the opposite letters. In the opposite letters also what they are doing, they are using the 2-digit number and then converting it to 1-digit number. Let me show you this. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. This is 7. 1 plus 8 is equals to 9 and this is 7. Understood? That means they're using the diagonal pattern with opposites where 2-digit number is converted to 1-digit number by addition. I know the question is a bit lengthy, but it is doable. Isn't it? Okay, next. We need to apply this particular pattern in watch, isn't it? That means W-A-T-C-H. What will be the opposite of W? W's opposite is D. A opposite is Z. T opposite is G. C opposite is X. C opposite is X. H opposite is S. Position values. Now we need to write the position values. 19, then 20, 4, 7, 26 and 4. Since I know the pattern, 9 plus 1 is how much? 10. Of 10 we will use 1. Okay, 1. After that 2 plus 4 is 6. Then 7. 2 plus 6 is 8. And lastly 4. That means the pattern is a bit lengthy, but I know you all will be able to understand the pattern. Okay, they are using the diagonal pattern, opposite and then 2-digit number is always converted to 1-digit number by using addition. And therefore our option is how much? 16784. 16784. Understood? Okay. Now, since Devraj has asked me to explain question number 1, let me go back to the question number 1. Okay, again. Okay. Now have a look at this pattern. First, the pattern is clear, isn't it? Plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, plus 10. It is moving by 2. Okay. Okay. Then what they have done, we are using this pattern in stars. Here we will get 21, 24, 7, 26, 29. Since we know that 29 is not a position value of any of the letters. 29 eku letter or position value nohoy. Hetu karne ami ki koribo lagibo 29 loloke count kora. So, Z or kiman hoy 26, 27, 28, 29. Tar mane ki A, B, C. Hetu bostu moi attack koribo koisu. Thik ase? To lastot tenekwake amar C ahile. I hope so tumi buzi paisa. Thik ase? Okay. ঠিক আছে মই হেতুৱে কৈছো দেৱৰাজ মই গম পাইছো মেবি তোমাৰ ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ বেৰিয়াৰ হৈছে মই ট্ৰাই কৰিছিলো কি এনেকুৱা বহুত ষ্টুডেন্টস আছে যোন নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ হয় বাট এনিৱেজ একো নাই মোৰ ষ্টুডেন্টস হেতুত আমি মই একো ডিফাৰেন্সিয়েট কৰিব নোৱাৰো এতিয়া চোৱা প্যাটাৰ্নটো ধৰিব পাৰিছা +2 +4 +6 8 10 কে গৈছে দুই কে আগবাঢ়ি গৈছে ঠিক আছে তাৰ পিছত আমি এই প্যাটাৰ্নটো যেতিয়া ষ্টাৰছত এপ্লাই কৰিছো আমি কিমান পালো 21 24 7 26 আৰু 29 যদি আমি গুটেকিটা পজিশন ভ্যালুজ লিখো u x g z লৈকে আহিব কিন্তু 29 টু c বুলি আমি কেনেকে গম পালো 26 ৰ পিছত কাউন্ট কৰিবা as it is 27 28 29 1 2 3 আৰু 3 কাৰ পজিশন ভ্যালু c ৰ পজিশন ভ্যালু হয় ঠিক আছে ওকে এতিয়া আমি কোয়েশ্চন নাম্বার 4 লে যাম now we'll move to question number 4 are we able to understand what is the pattern in question number 4 tell me question number 4 at key pattern what will be the pattern in question number 4 are we able to understand the pattern I'm giving you few seconds tell me the pattern give me the pattern RTS is equals to 19, for example. Okay. After that, MTH is written as 25. 25. Okay. Then what will be the pattern? Let me help. Let me help. RTS is equals to 19. For particular this question, okay. Position value of R is how much? 18, 20, and this is 19. This is 19. Is it okay? Fine. After that, MTH is written as 13, 20, and 8 is equals to 25. Now, we need to use the mathematical operation so that by using 18, 20 and 19, we will be able to get 19 again. By using 13, 20 and 8, we will be able to get 25 again. Now, tell me, what can be the pattern? What can be the pattern? What will be the pattern? 37 minus 24. Okay. Now, some students are able to find, but let me explain. Okay. 18 plus 20 is how much? It is 38. Okay. 38 minus 19 is how much? 38 minus 19 is also 19. Okay. By this, first putting addition between the first two numbers and then subtracting the third number. Okay, subtracting the third number, we can find the pattern. But this pattern is necessary to be followed in this particular MTH question also. But let me check first. 13 plus 25 is how much? It is 33. 33 minus 8 is how much? Yes, it is 25. That means yes, the pattern is being fulfilled. The pattern is being fulfilled. First, we need to add the first two numbers and then subtract the third number. Okay. If we apply this on IPL, what will be our answer? I is 9, P is 16, L is 12. First, we need to add this two. That means it is 25. I'm not going to write there. Wait. This is 25. Okay. Minus 12. It is how much? It is 13. So, therefore, my answer will be option number 1. Option number 1, 13. Okay. Are we able to identify the pattern? Are we able to identify the pattern? Okay. First, we need to add the first two numbers and then subtract the third number. Subtract the third number. Is it okay? Okay. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. What will be the pattern here in this particular question? First write the position values. Okay, first write the position values. Here. UNION. Union is written as WLKQL. The position value of each of the letters are what? The position values of each of the letters are 21, 19, 14, 9, 15, 14, 12, 17, 11, 12, 23. Is it okay? Fine. Now we need to first check vertically. Plus 2, minus 2, plus 2, yes, minus, no, plus 2, and here minus 2. What will be the pattern? Tell me, students. What will be the pattern here? You with U plus 2 is happening, I plus 2 is happening, O plus 2 is happening. That means vowels and consonants are being coded differently. Vowels and consonants are being coded differently here. Here for vowels we need to plus 2 and for consonants we need to minus 2. Okay, we need to use minus 2. Fine? Okay. Now if this pattern is being used in persons, P-E-R-S-O-N, we know that we will be using plus 2 with vowels, isn't it? Plus 2 with vowels. That means in the second place we will get 7 and in the last second place we will be getting 17. Okay. For G and between 2 and 4 we will be having our answer. So first let me check. Here we will get 16 and then minus 2 for consonant. Therefore, my answer will be what? Option number 2. Option number 2. For vowels, we are adding plus 2 and for consonants, we are subtracting minus 2. Minus 2. Okay? Done? Okay. Okay. Now tell me the next question. Okay. Before that, let's introduce. We are going to hold a new batch, that is Arjun batch. Okay, Arjun batch, and for limited time period only, that is 90 days. Okay, 90 days we will be having this Arjun batch for ADRE 3.0. ADRE 3.0. Here you will get PDFs in both the languages plus NCERT and SCERT coverage plus daily practice papers and mock test. Okay, if you are interested, please do call the number given below. And for free content, you can also download our app where you will get the mock test. Okay, mock test for free. Okay, now can you complete the question number 6? Question number 6. This will be the last question. Okay, this will be the last question. After that, I will go and make the question a little bit different. Okay, I'll make the question a little bit different. We will use different coding decoding questions. We will use different coding decoding questions. Question number 6. Question number 6. First write the word and the position values. Okay, first write the word and the position values. Printer. P-R-I-N-T-E-R. Printer is written as S-T-J-N-S-C-O. Position values of each and every letter is written as 16, 18, 9, 14, 20, 5 and 18. Here 15, then 3, 19, 14, 10, 20 and 19. Okay. First we need to check in a vertical pattern. If we check in vertical pattern, what will be the difference? Here it is as it is. Here we are subtracting minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. But in the first 3 letters, what we are doing? We are adding plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3. Plus 3. That means here we have the pattern. The pattern says that the mid term is as it is. First half is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and the second half is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That means if we use this pattern in digital, what will be our answer? plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 as it is, then minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. That means with D, if I plus 3, we will get G, this and this one. After that, with I, that is 9. 9 plus 2 is how much? 10, 11. 11 is the position value of K, Kings 11 Punjab. Do you remember? Okay. Therefore, our answer will be option number 3. Option number 3. Are we able to understand the pattern here? Are we able to understand the pattern here? Okay, good. Okay. Now, we will be having more questions, but I want to introduce you to this particular question, that is matrix question. Okay. Today I will introduce it to you, and then in the next class we will be doing questions related to matrix coding. Okay, fine. But before that, we will be having one small theory session. For that theory part, you need to understand what does a matrix means. Okay, here is a matrix. In this particular matrix, we will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let me check. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The last row, I will just erase the last row because I need a symmetric matrix. For symmetric matrix, we know that the number of rows and columns are equal. The number of rows and columns are equal. What are rows? For example, rows are always horizontal. Okay. Columns are always vertical. And therefore, we will be having here a 5 into 5 dimension matrix. 5 into 5 dimension matrix. Now, this 5 and 5 represents what? Rows and columns. Therefore, the first 5 represents the row. The next 5 represents the column. Okay, fine. That means we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 column. We will be having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 column, and this is row. Okay, this is row. Vertically it is column, horizontally it is row. That's it. Okay. Now, if I use this particular boxes to write the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Now, tell me the matrix code of F. What will be the matrix code of F? Tell me. The matrix code of F is, first you need to check which row it belongs to, and after that which column it belongs to. What will be the matrix column? What will be the matrix code for F? The matrix code for F is 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Now tell me, students, what will be the matrix code of X? What will be the matrix code of X? Then P. What will be the matrix code of X and P? Tell me. What will be the matrix code of X and P? The matrix code of X will be First, check the number of row and then the column, that is 2. 4, 2 is our answer. 4, 2 is our answer. For P question, what we have? For P, we will be having 0, 2. 0, 2 as the matrix code. Are you able to understand? Yes. 4, 2 for X, and for P, we will be having 0, 2. 0, 2. Is it okay? Fine. Now, this particular theory, we will use in the next question. Here, the word pent is represented in which particular option correctly as matrix code. What we will do, this is option number A, option number A. Now start from the last letter, that is T. T is represented as 66 in option number 1, option number A, isn't it? 66. 66, is there T in 66? No, there is no T in 66 matrix code, isn't it? Therefore, our answer is what? Option A will be eliminated. Option A will be eliminated. Why? Because 66 does not represent T in this particular matrix. Okay? T doesn't represent. Now, come to option B. Option B, last number is how much? 78. 78 should represent T. 78 should represent T, isn't it? Now let me check. 7 and then 8. 7 and then 8. Here also we don't have T. That means option B is eliminated. Option C, we have 87. Let me check. For 87, yes, we do have T. Yes, we do have T. That means this can be our answer. 58, let me check. 58 also we have T. That means option A and option B is eliminated. Okay. Only option C and D is left. Now let me check for the last second letter, that is N. For N, let me check. 3, 4. Is 3, 4 representing N? This is 3, this is 4. Nope. 3 and 4 is representing E, and therefore option C is eliminated with your answer as option number D. Here in this particular question, matrix coding is used. Matrix coding is a very easy question, and therefore we need to save the time. How we can save the time? By using the method of reverse calculation and elimination. Okay, what do you mean by reverse calculation? That means here might be you have observed that I have started from T and E. That means from the last we should approach and then solve the option one by one. By using this method, we can solve the question in less particular time. Okay? Okay, this matrix coding I will teach again in the next class. Don't worry. But as of now, we will be ending the session. And also, if we can find this particular question in any other topic, we will again add those particular matrix coding questions. Okay, in the next class, definitely I am going to use this matrix code again in the next session. Okay, till then, keep practicing and we will meet in the next class. Okay, if you like the session, please do give a thumbs up. Okay, thank you.